Welcome to the weather simulation. In this simulation, you'll use the climate change calculator to investigate the relationship between weather and climate. Each of the green boxes represents Earth's average temperature over a 1-year period. Therefore, the 30 boxes represent a 30-year era on Earth. To start the simulation, select the Spin button. The green boxes spin and turn into either a red or blue box. Red indicates an increase in Earth's average temperature for a given year, while blue represents a decrease in temperature. If there are more red boxes than blue, Earth's average temperature increased over the 30-year period. Note that the data also appear in the top of the screen. The bottom of the screen represents a recap of how many red and blue boxes appeared during the 30-year cycle. The net rise or fall in temperature over the 30-year interval appears in the box to the right. One difference between weather and climate is the amount of time being observed. Weather describes the condition of the atmosphere over a short period of time, while climate is how the atmosphere behaves over a relatively long period. In order to check the effect of time, you may wish to run the simulation over hundreds of years. You can increase or decrease the spin rate by selecting the faster or slower tabs. You should use the faster spin option to collect data over long time periods. The top graph displays data for up to 300 years. That's 10 30-year intervals. However, you can collect many more years of data than this. Once over 300 years of data is collected, the screen flips to a new view. To see the previous graph, select the navigation button. This button allows you to scroll through all of the graphs you've previously collected. You can also select the Change Factors button to investigate factors that affect climate, including the concentration in the atmosphere of carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor. You can also change the percentage of Earth's surface covered by rainforest. To modify one of these factors, select the Change Factor button. A pop-up appears in the graphing window. Choose which factor you'd like to change, by what percentage, and apply the change. Remember to only change one factor at a time to isolate the effects of one variable on climate.